events most worrying. This regime, having proclaimed and publicized and gazetted Amendment number 3 of 2026 on the 16th of February 2026, cannot stop Zimbabweans from meeting to debate this heinous, toxic constitutional amendment. And it's ironic and hypocritical that the same regime and its ruling party is actually having consultative meetings, including a Politburo, to discuss this heinous bill. We also find it unacceptable that the regime has unleashed a violence and toxicity against all alternative opinion. We condemn, for instance, the assault on 2 members of the National Constitutional Assembly, led by Professor Love Maduku, that took place yesterday after a meeting of the NCA. We think that the government of the day and the regime has declared a de facto state of emergency, has declared a de facto zone of no authority when it comes to debating this bill. But I want to assure Zimbabweans that we, as in the CDF, we are not stopping.